Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going live into XRP, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now XRP has invalidated this bearish breakdown. I do think you are in a macro downtrend here for XRP, and you are until you start to take out resistance levels for me. I think that one of the main primary levels of resistance is this green line here at 0.55. If we start to take that out, then I would get really bullish about XRP. But until we start to see that broken, I think you could be carving out some kind of big bearish pattern here. I'm going to show you. But firstly, let me show you what happened here for XRP. This is a technical breakdown pattern, a descending triangle from here all the way down to there. XRP for me was looking like it was going to break down to around about 0.3434 mark just there, okay? But we've got a little bit of a reversal pattern here, some kind of bear trap down here below this support, and right now we're coming back up and we're breaking out of this level of resistance. So what we've got is a 5-wave corrective structure in here like this, some kind of A, B, C, D, E correction, and right now we could be coming upstairs and another impulsive move or corrective move which will see us come up and tackle that high. So just here, I think that what we've done here for XRP, we've invalidated the breakdown at the minute, and we could actually be looking at a breakout of a descending triangle with a technical target just there. So like I said to you, I was short of this resistance, came all the way down, I moved my stop down onto that high, I got stopped out, I made a bit of profit just there for XRP, and it is what it is, okay? So just here at the moment we could be looking at retracement from this low all the way up to this high, and I think we could get as high as potentially the 1272. So that would be a major level of resistance for me going forward, where I would be looking to TP on any longs, swing trade into that level of resistance just there, 0.4336. okay, so technically at the moment we are breaking out. Okay, we've got a lovely impulsive move here. We've got 1 2 3 4 5, and right now we could be having some kind of ABC correction coming back before another impulsive move up. Okay, sort of like this. Look, you've got 1 2 3 4 5 corrective move in there before a break. Okay, but that would just be a wave, a corrective wave back up. So I think that that could be a maximum opportunity, 1272, to go short, okay, on Prime XBT, because at that point we could come up, meet the technical target and just beyond, and then start to come in for a larger crash here, correction, because this could be some kind of corrective wave back up to these highs before another impulsive move to the downside. Like I said to you, at the minute you're coming down, corrective, until you start to come up and break out these highs and take out that green line, you are in a big push down here for XRP, and I'm looking at lower lows and at least a retest down here of this green line, which is your June lows right there for XRP. Okay, so until I start to see that level broken just there, I'm projecting to the downside, and this is simply correction back up. So I think just there what we've got as well is 5 waves. Let me show you just there. We've got an A, a B, a C, a D, and an E. We've got 5 waves to the upside, corrective waves. Then we've got the 5 waves to the downside, which are corrective wave, and right now we could be looking at 5 waves to the upside with a maximum target around about the 1.272 at 0.43. So from here right now, we could be looking at a lovely little break for XRP off this EMAs just there and this level of support. We could be looking at a beautiful impulsive move around about 11.33%, where I would actually be looking to TP at that point, okay, or swing into that, if you in spot positions basically, on Prime XBT right there. So okay, so it's a very minimal risk trade just there. I think if we start to come down, take out that 0.3794, obviously I get stopped out, but right now we could be in for a lovely little time here on Prime XBT. From this low we could be looking at a lovely little pump, at least a minimal target around about 10%, but I think we'll get the follow through to the 1.272 where we get rejected, and at that point I think we start to come in for a big crash, big correction here for XRP. I could be completely wrong obviously. Now if we do start to do that, okay, for XRP, and we come up to the 1.272 and we actually come up, where am I looking at? So the 1.618 is around about 0.2593, and I think that we could come down there and sweep that low, and what we've got is a massive impulsive move here which could sweep that. Now there is a big bearish pattern just there that is beginning to form for XRP. I'm going to show you on a different chart right now for XRP. Okay, so looking at XRP on the daily, and I think that we've got this A, B, C correction, and right now from this point here, 2021 September, I think we're in the C wave, so I'm looking for it to continue, and I think that what we've got is potential 1 2 3 4, and we're looking at final 5th wave down here for XRP. To invalidate this right now, all we have to see is XRP trading back above that red line at 0.55, and it negates this potential head and shoulders pattern, which is going to come up and then lose support, technical target down there at 20 cents. It really is that simple. Okay, so until then, until we start to see XRP come up and break that red trend line, I think that anything that's coming up is just a correction until we start to see that red trend line broken right there and invalidate this potential head and shoulders pattern, which is a breakdown target around about 20 cents once it loses this green trend line. And it is an if as well, because the opposite of this is that the fact that this is some kind of big reversal pattern that's going to come up over a long period of time. Again, this would be really, really bullish if you start to see that, because you get price compression, and at that point you start a new impulsive move to the upside. But it does look as though we are potentially carving out a big descending triangle, triple top, coming down, turning to resistance, supporting to resistance, sorry, and we're looking for the continuation right there, and that looks like the minimal target for me, around about 20 cent mark for XRP. What we need to do is invalidate the red line, okay, take out the red line, and I don't think we're looking at that projection, okay, going forward. Take care everyone, back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, bye bye.